In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to test, put it into self-test mode and show you guys how to do a self-test mode, and also how to tell what software version or what hardware version it's running on. So in order to find the hardware version, press down F1, turn the power on. It will then give you the version in it. Okay, the ROM version is 1013. Let's get out of that. We need to go turn the unit back off. Okay, now in order to get into test mode, we need to hold down F1 and F2. Until that screen appears there. Yeah. F1 will do a RAM check. You'll have to wait for it to happen. These are all good things to do if you're buying a unit and you want to know whether it's going to work okay. This unfortunately takes a little bit of time. RAM check complete, good. Quickly press exit just once, don't press it twice, otherwise it will come right out and reboot. If you then go into F2, you can get a key check. So with this you can see if the buttons are working. So as you press them, you'll also notice the LEDs will light up. Yeah? If it's a duo colour LED, when you press the button you have to press something else and that will make it change colour. So if I go to performance, that light's orange, that light's orange, that light's orange. Yeah, if I go to record, yeah, that's only a single colour. Yeah, so the only one that is a double colour is this one. So the tempo, but as you press that, you will see that it changes colour there also. Yeah. So I go back to tempo, it goes green. If I press back, it changes that to red, but it also shows me that the button is working there. Yeah. It also shows me there. There, 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 there. Don't press the exit one until the last button. If you press that, it comes out of it. Comes out of the test. So, yeah. Yeah, exit, and it comes out. F3, controllers. If we go into here, we can see bender. Yeah. So if I move the bender, we can see the figure changing in the plus direction. We can see it changing in the negative direction. Yeah, negative being left, positive being right on the bender. Yeah. After touch. Oh, sorry, no after touch. What am I looking at? Modulation. There you go. So this is pushing forward on the stick. You see it changing. 2 positions only. FF. On or full. Yeah. Master volume. Yeah. You can see there, because we've changed this one out recently, how smooth it is. Yeah. And what it's doing is it's counting in hex. So it will give E's and F's and etc. and A's and B's and BD's. Yeah. So it's counting up in hexadecimal. Yeah. But that one you can see lovely and smooth after it's been changed. After touch. Pick a key, any key. Press harder, press less. You should be able to see it. Check a few. Yeah, and check a few black keys as well. Don't just rely on the other one. Yeah, can you see that? Okay, if you had a pedal, an EV5 or a foot switch, you could check that there. I do have them, but I will plug them in some other time. But basically, if you plug them in, the DP switch is an on-off. So if its DP switch is plugged in, when you press it, you'll just see a change there. With the EV pedal, you'll see again a hexadecimal change. So it will count up or count down depending on where you've got all your little knobs and dials set. Your cursor dial, so if we go to the value here, we go in one direction, it will count up, yeah, in hexadecimal, and then you can get down, and it will count in the opposite direction, yeah. If you find they're not working when you go to buy one until you press down on it, don't worry too much, because that's actually a repairable thing. It means taking the machine apart. You have to be a little bit how can I say, handy with a set of tools, but it's doable. You can fix them, and the same with the cursor value. Yeah, can we see it? Yeah. Okay, and that's how you do a test. Okay, we can then go out of here. We can either exit, which will just take us out and reboot us, or we press F4 and reboot. Yeah, the machine will then W-30 up. Try and run the disk drive. If there's no disk in it, it will do the obvious things as it used to.